The other thing is the broadening of their horizon. So we go deep, we also must go wide nowadays. So we must show them different types of questions, make them off balance a bit. Because I mean, there are standard questions that we can hope for, and usually it does happen. But it's just like recently in my Sec 4 class, right? So we talk about doing maximum minimum problem, and then they were doing this question talks about maximum gradient. So everybody was like, oh, it's a maximum minimum problem. The first thing they do, they differentiate, and then they equate to 0, and then they do. So when I give them the question, I let them do. Everybody do it, and then a lot of people will get it wrong, and it's not their fault. And I told them, look, this is an actual O-level question. So you see, despite you being good, they are really good. They can differentiate well, they can do their things well, but they are not going to survive very well because it's a tricky question. The other way we can prepare the students is, of course, by broadening their horizon. Show them different types of questions, even some puzzle questions. Like when we talk about permutation and combination, of course, some people just memorize, like, oh, I got 4 letters, I want to rearrange this power 4 factorial. And then ask them why they don't understand. So when suddenly a puzzle question come out, like you can go how many ways from left to right and that kind of thing, they get completely lost one because it's not the typical kind of question that they can do. But when you show them, and when I show them, and when I explain to them, look, no matter how, you are just going to have the number of up steps and number of right steps. That's always fixed, and that's the total number of ways you permitted them. Then it becomes the kind of moment they go like, oh yeah, I didn't think I can apply that